Yo, peace. What's up? This is Masada. Can an MPC Key 61 load up MPC 3000, 2000, 4000 files? With the help of this zip drive, we're going to find out. Alright, so these right here, these are, you know what I mean, for all my older cats, these are zip disk. This is how we stored all of our stuff before USB drives and the like. Alright, so basically what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take my MPC 3000 disc. We're going to see if we can load these sounds up inside of the MPC Key 61. Alright, so around here somewhere we should see that drive pop up. There we go. And look what comes up right here. We have our files. So I had obviously a Cool and Dre file and a Ninth Wonder program back in the day. Wow. Let's see. Let's load this up. Alright. So basically we're gonna load these sounds up. And then we get to hear these sounds once they load up. Alright. So go on. I have no idea why I called this a Ninth Wonder kit back in the day. Or did I find one of his folders hanging around the studio somewhere? I'm just joking. Alright, so look, that works. Alright, so let's go back here to the browser. Let's eject that. You have to press this, and the zip disk is going to automatically eject the disk. Alright, so that comes out. Put that here. Let's load up our MPC 2000 disk. See what happens here. Now, most of the time, these machines are going to load up the sounds and the programs, of course. Alright, so this actually see two partitions, so that's pretty cool. Alright, so look, I got a Pete program here. I guess that would be short for Pete Rock. Alright, so let's go here. And all the sounds load. I forgot how good some of these sounds are. I might have to use some of these sounds again. Alright.